Abusia de enya ye ka Ghana for a demanding apology from His Excellency the President John Mahama. NDC TikToker Kofi Gabs and the friend Mr. Happiness. Enya no nko a. Dr. Okoe ono se aka ho be na fe many other TikTokers any journalists echirem say Mahama omepa Ghana for acho because they say me we kan no a total insult to Ghanaians. Mema on chirimu no akere wa adwan sembe kra no ka ho ase. I Penyah block media. Mesra say any dem. Over like keep video no that my subscribe button stand click the notification and connect with us abi stand back to the wide join their mama comment section best raso baso anu ahye no for so enya bi ahye it when it comes to the issue of Galamsey Sam George MIT I said Galamsey edi Ghana nya abeda ne said there cocaine drugs edi oman this bisu enya no sa na Galamsey edi enya abeda ne kankat e wo Ghana ha abe edi enya ntimi ntu ase even in a position. Now Sam George had all the knowledge. There's no nimunyansa ni owo nimude a quite vital topic Galamsey. Emoka said the LI 2462 bill na a permit emobitim come mine e forest no. Ye repeal that bill no. About say oh the president of the day na ye dey taxpayers money in the cano. He has all the capacity under his control to stop Galamsey within a week, just 7 days. Se president no percent or topic Galamsey wetin na what prepare 7 days as topic Galamsey. Emma this issue of Galamsey no. Mahama catch go for say go for na wa ba mu. Topic Galamsey no. Eye wo wasu di enya me topic Galamsey no. That time no go for person who Mahama no understand on Galamsey. But Mahama SVP Emma ga say masa. Wo na cha kunya so. Topic Galamsey. When it comes to this issue of Galamsey, ye hu ye. Semi Jamfi na you gold boy chairman. Semi Jamfi gada nipa kodira ensuo ho bia Galamsey asa isu eko bunso go tuamu ho Galamsey said no press conference abuakwa ekone na bunso nya obotre fa votic to ensuo bi asa bia twetwere bia dingo won be sisi won be press conference be kasa ye ma abuakwa yi akrasa be ka se ekufuado on declare state of emergency now for on there small scale mining crowd on ban.
And I will wish that we totally stop small scale mining. Let's just ban it for a period. Let the environment rest. I don't mind 10 years.
You mean illegal or both?
Both.
But people have licenses. People have made investments.
It doesn't matter.
Legitimate licenses.
It doesn't matter. Look,
unless you are prepared to pay a lot of
if we are not willing to take radical steps, then let's forget it. Let's forget it.
At least on banning for 10 years, whether you have license or not, whatever activity of small scale mining, you are banning. Just say any more useless demonstrations.
President Akufo-Addo, stop Galamsey now. We will continue this fight and we will continue this struggle until our water bodies are protected.
Some George, a demonstration, who look at Sako TV, so Casavia, Rocco Club, or Sako Sanquasi, as our home, we are no Kofi. Kofi. No one what the free just say opposition, you know. Now they had the knowledge to combat Galamsey. Emma woman someone can to Ghana for tribu. Oh, the AI, I never fight Galamsey. And I know because AI no. Now with the AI never fight because Dr. Hannabisi, don't the AI fight, but I can say AI no. Or losing signals, call the batteries as because AI crack what she excavators 40 or are they channel with 33 what they say AI ebu Mahama bebu 80 Galamsey Mahama to be fighting AI no every AI Hannabisi. Oh no, na kill Mahama spirit. Go na Mahama bese. Or combat Galamsey, but the bremu AI Hannabisi, Dr. Hannabisi. On bremu no. Now, concern the issue of Galamsey, any worker say go for any clear state of emergency. Now I don't know. Ana na Mahama MET the media. Ana man fu say Mahama now no. When it comes to the issue of Galamsey, no, what are you going to do? Are you going to declare state of emergency? Mahama asked me, oh, he is so reluctant on declaring a state of emergency because now the Galamsey, the fight against Galamsey, it is not an event, but it is a process. Yeah, that is it. Sir, open the Okoe can ye. The Okoe can ye. And after so Kaya, I broke a crack and said, a good for embanning every activity of small scale mining. But now Mahama could say, oh, small scale miners, no. Yeah, the Omani see can be sponsor woman. Yeah, boom hoka, Edo to Kwai, Ako Australia. Omunko hwe omo two small scale mine on home omunko hwe no munsia say the two small scale miners omo Ghana hanma omo so emetu ni se bia say NDC any plan bia on be fight Galamsey na eno ana comedian so Kofi Gabs Mr Happiness NDC TikToker oni Dr. Okoe any many other journalists any TikTokers abe clash with Mahama. In fact omo chirem say and so Mahama ko gina ho no ke kan after so meet the media no omo say e insult to Ghanaians into Mepa Ghana match.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency. Watch yourself speak on the 17th of October at Ningo Prampram. What you said.
President Akufo-Addo said I should come out clearly on Galamsey. It looks like he doesn't live in this country because I've commented on Galamsey over and over again. The Ministry of Energy and Natural Resources gave political leaders the platform to outline their policy on small-scale mining. And for a whole hour, I outlined our policy. After that, there was questions and answers for 2 hours. We're there for 3 hours. So he should just tell his Flagstaff House media to get in the tape of what I said at the University of Energy and Natural Resources. Recently, when I met the clergymen, the Christian community, a part of my speech and the questions and answers was again on Galamsey and small-scale mining. And so, I mean, there's a lot that I've said. It is his responsibility. The people of Ghana elected him. He's currently the president of Ghana. And it is his responsibility to deal with Galamsey now. I know that after 7 January 2025, when Ghanaians have voted for me, I will take that responsibility and we will sort out illegal mining. He also asked me to come out clearly.
Thank you. But at your media encounter with you as the president, when you were asked about the fight against Galamsey, this is what you said.
Going to be an event. I mean, definitely, there's no magic one. It takes so much over the last 8 years that it's going to take a lot of work to be able to overcome it. And I didn't expect that in 18 months we'll declare victory in the fight. As
Your Excellency, by your own words, why don't you tell your media staff to bring you the tape of your policy outline when you were in opposition, how you win the fight against Galamsey now, for you to watch. Maybe you've forgotten. Then you can win the fight against Galamsey. This statement is an insult to Ghanaians, and you should render an apology. Because if Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and his vice, Dr. Bawumia, had won the fight against Galamsey, Dr. Bawumia would have been president today, and not you. Ghanaians voted for you because they believed in you. Based on the things you said you do to win the fight against Galamsey. But today you are saying it is not an event, it is a process. Nobody gave you 8 months to solve Galamsey. You were asked a question. Things are getting worse by the day. What are you doing about it? Ask the commander-in-chief. You don't give such an answer. This is an insult. So please apologize to Ghanaians. They have given you a job. Give them good answers. Don't come and talk to them like they begged you to become their president. So please render an apology to Ghanaians that you golfed big time. Thank you.
So that's a good one. And also me born Abaso for his accountability. Now, there are two quick things I know. Me picky here. Confirm the last meka one say it is better to stick to cognitive stimulation, using the brain to give ideas. Say odi wadwin be kire kwa be fa so be solve problems are crony or mind wo na nkrofo brebo enkomo enim che de obeka nsema ema omo se omo feeling yeden se na omo tinka yes se obehwe se onipa na tinka no asem we na meka bende na wa kan no na wa fa hu de anya vote na wanya power udi atinka echi na wa hwe kwa obesolve problem a nipa no unsaka power na onya asumdwe because atinka na udi echi odi nyaye no enu ntimi solve the problem time I go election NDC was so good say almost Ghana workers under 2 years could do what you say ya by say yan declare state of emergency yan fast soldiers and could stop it Galamsey immediately ya buy I was saying 2 years in fact almost strike that was the level of convincing NDC to me here but Obi they were following the emotional state of the country. Say, oh, say na insuoni ma ye, ebe say oh, yebe wu na ya kajo se nkwarabi e wu omo body na sisa, enti eni ye cause strike. Obi, that's how well they were able to ride on the emotions of the people. Meanwhile, what President Mahama said, Enra, that is what should have happened during the election time. Say edi adwika say, den edi abe do pepper soy, den na say ya. You let me solve the problem. And no person on my catcher say, Okoe mining areas or money juma, mining no muye. Now who the soldiers come now stop her? Omukodi day, and can say I have to be a momu, no money juma, and can Obi. I'm like, wow.
One can see there is a lot of
that's what when you're almost 20 minutes.
Me patch some more can say Yampa. The patch also see one can see.
Obi
can be so one can
Obi. Enra. Senate President Mama here candid, you know. Me say, wow, this man is being straight. He's being, Brofobeka say, he's being real. I'm like, I wish it was like that before last election. And Sebi, Mesreno, me a politician. There are many Ghanaians who put up my NDC. Ne jina kasa ni impression mu create before the last election. And no count on mudi before Penyah eko. It will do the NDC a lot of good if they come and apologize to Ghanaians. Obi, if you apologize, say na you can't same the last time, you know. Please, it's not like that. Now, Obi, didn't you make us? Now you know NDC is so good when it comes to electioneering. Omotiminje double game B in the money areas. Oba elite in the middle class, I want cannot.
Charlie, now the evidence is clear. President Mahama, no nim die bia ne kwan bi opefaso. I come back to Galamsey. He was able to deceive the Ghanaian people for them to accept him, say, Onone the Messiah or best topic Galamsey. Mahama Kasaya no Kasasa will be on my president. Da. Come on, Mr. Man. Okase Galamsey not got that momentum starting in the past 8 years. Such a liar. You know, president no busy the energy on the ability to speak fluently, an ability to put words together for his words to sound so beautiful in the ears of people. But let me tell you, Ghana is in a big mess if President Mahama has no clue or has no idea to combat Galamsey. And there are some na Sam George ni Sami Jenfimuan Kasa in opposition about the need to stop Galamsey. And there are some. So why would Mahama come and tell us, say, now, no, Galamsey, and I say, is it crowd or money being Galamsey, no, fresh small scale mining, or friend small scale mining, say, and yet illegal. And in a way to even steal money from the Ghanaian people, or pursue a dink of 4 collaboratory, eco training on proper mining and blah, blah, blah. First of all, your universities, the universities of mines and mines and technology, as a then they what hakwano, to mean yes, our training, if it's even important. The University of Natural Resources, if it's even important for that training. Mahama failure. President Mahama is a scam. He is the most cunning individual I've seen. Penyah no can. Papa no nim kasa or kasani or humble demeanor be or de kasenti. People don't even look into it, and then and they think Ghana is in the safe hands. Ghana is in the safe hands. Charlie, Ghana, Galamsey. I'm telling you, there will be a time, yeah? There will be a time. Soldier for police for Galamsey is best story anyhow. Yan Galamsey, yeah. civilians yare betie sigana ya nhwe Galamsey ya nti wo president na wa promise in opposition so wo ba abema Galamsey na jai ni ade no enne wanya tumi awi ahede okeka and Ghanaians are jubilating and applauding him.
Good evening, Your Excellency John Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana. Yesterday, Wednesday, 10 September 2025, at your encounter with the media, you said, and I quote, "I am reluctant to declare a state of emergency because we haven't exhausted all our options in the Galamsey fight. For now, let's allow the security services to do their work. Meanwhile, the government agency responsible for potable water in Ghana, called Ghana Water Company, issued a statement on the 9th September, that is a day before your media encounter, that it requests a 280% upward adjustment in water tariff, as Galamsey plunges it into deep losses. As Galamsey, you, John Mahama, the president, you increased salary by 10% because you said you came to meet a mess economically. Ghana Water Company, barely 9 months into your governance, says they have to adjust tariffs by 280%. You see, water is life. So, as the President of the Republic, if this statement, which came from your own agency, the water company, a day before your time with the media, didn't ring a bell in your ear to see this as an emergency because Galamsey is destroying the source of potable water for Ghanaians, then John Mahama, per your statement, you labeled Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, former president, as the Achim Mafia. Mafias are known for corruption. Then I am also labeling you tonight, 11th September 2025. You are the head of the Bole cartel because cartels are dangerous. They kill, everything they do is immediate. They kill for no reason. Because per your statement, you are happy that Galamsey is destroying the water bodies and you don't care. So John Mahama, if Nana Addo is the head of the Achim Mafia, you are the head of the Bole cartel. You don't care about the well-being of Ghanaians. You prefer to have proceeds from gold than Ghanaians having potable drinking water. You are a wicked leader. I've said it. You don't need to trace my IP. I can give you my address in the Netherlands. Or you can wait. When I go to the Ghana embassy in The Hague to apply for my Ghana visa, they will see my address. When I come to Ghana, you can arrest me. Because as for me, Kofi Gabs, aka Mr. Happiness, I'm not afraid of anybody in this world. Because at the end, we are all going to die. Cheers. I stand for the truth. And the truth only. That's why my name is Mr. Happiness. Death has already booked the last appointment with me. So me, I'm not afraid of you. I respect you. But when you go wrong, I will criticize you. And I will speak truth to you. Because when I was campaigning for you, you didn't tell me I'm a Dutch citizen, so you don't need my campaign. Cheers. To the Bole cartel, head of the Bole cartel, John Mahama. Good evening, Your Excellency, John Mahama, current President of the Republic of Ghana. In 2024, when you were the presidential candidate of the NDC, you said on Wednesday, 15th of May 2024, that if Ghanaians should give you the mandate to become the president of the Republic 2025, and I quote your own statement, verbatim, I will use artificial intelligence, AI, to fight Galamsey. Now, Your Excellency, let's go and ask the AI that you said you used to fight Galamsey. If it created itself, or it was created by natural intelligence, MI, and if anyone can use AI without natural intelligence. So now let's go to ChatGTP. ChatGTP, did you create yourself, or you were created by natural intelligence, NI? And also, can anyone use AI without NI, natural intelligence?
I didn't create myself. I was created by humans, what you're calling natural intelligence, NI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the result of natural intelligence designing, training, and fine-tuning computational systems to learn from data. To your second question, no, AI cannot exist or operate without NI. Here's why. 1. Creation. Humans design the algorithms, the architectures, neural networks, provide actual training data. 2. Training and guidance. AI needs goals, feedback, and evaluation, all of which come from NI. 3. Usage. Even when AI runs autonomously, e.g. a self-driving car, its frameworks, rules, and oversight are set up by NI. 4. Maintenance and evolution. AI doesn't self-replicate or independently improve at a fundamental design level. NI keeps building better systems. So AI is a product and extension of NI, not a replacement for it. Would you like...
Your Excellency, John Mahama, you heard it. AI even says without NI, it cannot function, and it didn't even exist. So, this statement is wrong. First and foremost, if you cannot use your NI, natural intelligence, to fight and stop Galamsey, then Ghana is doomed. To be honest with you, Kofi, I said it yesterday and I'll say it again. Formal education without common sense. Formal education without common sense. It's a natural disaster. That is why Ghana is in a mess. You promised you will stop it. You haven't been able to do it. And now you are saying it's not even an emergency. Like, seriously, I'm so disappointed in you. I have to be honest with you. I campaigned for you, but I'm disappointed in you with that statement you made. I'm telling you, John Mahama, if you cannot use your natural intelligence, MI, to stop Galamsey, then don't even dream of using AI because it will not work. Because Odo River, I said, you guys have not been able to make it clean. And you think you can use AI to make Den Supra clean. Stop joking. My father. It's a joke. Apologize to Ghanaians that you golfed. And start working. You still have time. Cheers. Still, Ezu and the Zaza. I don't regret campaigning for you. But some of your actions, they are not right. So me, I'll criticize you. For you to do the right thing. Because we all want a better Ghana. Cheers to a better Ghana. Ten. Me no one sana me 5 million. Yeah. Go mad be you man. That's it.
Chira wadwen ma me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Akra.